Well, this doesn't happen very often. I'm trapped at the train crossing here, just outside the villages. And I'm late already. And to make matters worse, my phone seems to be dead. It wasn't dead last night, but it's sort of dead now. And I thought, well, let's see, the first 55 years of my life, I didn't have a cell phone. So let's just pretend it's 1965 all over again. So think of it this way, and pardon the froggy voice, getting over some stuff. Think of it this way. If you went to high school for 4 years, and then you went to college for another 4 years, that's how long we've been doing Fishing the Withlacoochee. Yep, this is season 8. And it's hard to believe. I could have started over in high school and college and fixed all the mistakes I made, but oh well, let's go fishing. So all the construction is still underway here at the interchange for I-75, my favorite highway in Florida. But they look like they're kind of getting close to being done. That'll be good because this place has been a mess for about 2 years now. Well, here we are in the middle of downtown Dunellen. There's a mouthful. Not much has changed except the gas station. Now that's the same. This gas station's for sale. Some kind of old 50s, 40s thing, I think. Well, I'm about 15 minutes late, which ain't too bad considering all that's been going on this morning, but I'm probably going to get a lot of grief about it. Oh well.
I'll sing a copyrighted song, too.
There you go. It's a feisty herd here, and I understand why, because I blew in here a half hour late. But, well, all is going to be forgiven, or else. So here's the rest of the crew. It's my grandnephew Jack, who's actually taken up residence here in Yankeetown. The captain. Welcome back, season 8, episode 1.
All right.
And Billy.
Yeah.
What would season 8, episode 1 be without Billy?
Right.
And the new dog on the block. This is Koda. Gets along with Lucy. Right. Lucy's right behind me here. Lucy, how you doing? Yeah. So we got 2 dogs on board, which is always good. No fish shall go unbarked at.
Let's see, 10 gallons.
So we pulled into the gas station because we need gas. Lucy's going ashore here.
What's 50 gallons?
And it's pretty quiet here right now.
How much does 50 gallons cost, Thomas? It's $5.
Coda thinks he's gonna get deserted. Coda's a boy, by the way. Well, after a lot of drama, we've got our gas. More ways than one. And we're heading back down the river to see what's out there. Well, I didn't think this was going to happen, but I'm the first one with a line in the water. Of course, it was by invitation. So I'm trolling with a lure. And the game is Spanish mackerel. And they're always a little flaky. All right, we've had a dolphin sighting right up against the boat here. But they clicked in and disappeared. Dogs are all excited.
Coast Guard on there. We got connections to the outer world.
Yeah, the radio works. Even if my phone goes into a deep funk again. So we're doing some bottom fishing out here. It's about 6 feet of water. Shrimps. And so far it's very quiet and calm. Well, there was nothing out. What are you eating, Koda? There was nothing out there, so we're moving further inshore. hoping to get near the redfish, but you got to get into about 1 foot of water, which is problematic for this boat. You found some nice garbage, huh? Naughty boy. We got ourselves a new spot and lunch. Here it goes. What's up, Lucy? I got 2 dogs on me now. Am I the new popular guy? What? You looking for food? Yeah, you want some attention, don't you?
Long story short, sort of like my keeper.
I think I got a new friend.
I remember one time, Tom, you caught little flounder one after the other on the boat.
Well, we've got some company out here. I don't know if they're catching any more than we are, which is, at the moment, right around 0. All right, we just drove into the middle of a bird herd, frightened them away, but the bird herd was working on something, so we're going to work on it too. We kind of lined up the GPS and found some old spots that had fish on them, and drove out here, and here we are. Kind of yet another featureless flat plane of water, but we're all fishing. If there's something down there, we'll find it. All right. Somebody caught a fish. Who got
We're
it?
supposed to chip into a pool.
Tom caught a fish.
First
This
fish.
is an ugly looking.
You win the pool.
There's no pool.
Everybody got to give me $10.
Yeah, I think you may be a little late claiming the money that nobody ponied up.
It was a secret boat.
All right, so at least we can say that we didn't get skunked. Tom got the. Well, we got our 1 fish, and we're out of here. Because it was a little grungy thing, but there's a spoils bank someplace we're going to go head to. Then you're reeling them back in. All right, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Fish number 2. Go ahead and taste it, Lucy. It's a rainbow fish, isn't it?
It's one of those, I forget the name of it.
Hope is not lost. We were getting into politics, too. It's a good thing you caught that fish. We were going down some very dark holes with politics.
Don't say that to nobody.
So Billy got lucky here. Then caught a sea bass. Except it's illegal.
Koda.
The dogs are having fun. Finally somebody's something to lick, huh? It's gone.
Gone, old dog, like that.
So here's what's left of my tackle. I managed to firmly get a grip on the bottom, or the world's largest fish. I just had to cut the line. I couldn't even break it. It was so, because this is this woven stuff, and it's like 50-pound test. So. Here we are at marker 33. This is where you make the turn out of the Withlacoochee cut to get up to the trout stake.
Try this down there, you'll hit a rock for sure.
Now we're going to turn left and head back in.
Problem if we didn't have a front cleat for the bow.
Ignore the camera.
Alright. I'm done talking.
Make your final statement about today's.
Yes, well,
Today's fishing trip.
yes, I'm being asked to make my final statement for Season 8, Episode 1, through my froggy little voice. And I would say the weather turned out stellar. Can't really beat it. We pretty much had smooth water all day. And what do we catch? About 4 fish. Nothing really incredible there, but at least we caught something. That's it. Thanks for being with us. Good night, everybody.
They're out.
Koda turned out to be a pretty decent dog fisherman. Well, now he's whining a little bit because his master has wandered away the front of the boat, right? You're not getting too upset, are you?